to the building of my friend's PC. So I'll have everything in there. I have a Seagate 1000 gigabyte hard drive, an SSD, 1 terabyte Samsung, and I got the B450F Gaming 2 motherboard. And so what we're going to do, we're going to install everything onto the motherboard before. We're going to install everything before we put it into the chassis. Okay. So what we're going to do is take off these, because this is for the light up CPU fan. Ryzen 5 5500. Okay. Now place it into here, like so. Lock it in. This already has it on there. So what we'll do is place this here. Now, speed run basically what we're doing. Okay, CPU is installed. Awesome. Now to the RAM. Now we're going to have 2 sticks of DDR4 Corsair 16 gigabytes, or 2 sticks of 8 gigabytes to make it a total of 16 gigabytes of 3200 megahertz. It's going to be RGB for him. Now put them in to slot number 2. Slot number 2 if it fits. Okay, so those are plugged in. Now we're going to put the SSD on there. Okay, snaps in. Place that down. Oh, come on, hand. Somewhat level. Okay. SSD is put on. Place that to the side. Grab our motherboard. Place like so. You just gotta make sure everything is aligned. Okay. Now, the capture card. Now we got the motherboard in there. Take the back panel off so we can work on to the wiring. I'll grab my trusty paper.
You've never believed in me, now you do. It's funny how things change. Used to laugh when I was in the booth, and now I got crowds screaming my name. I feel like Buzz Lightyear. To infinity and beyond, this is my year. Had to eradicate my fear. New friends took the backseat like a rideshare. You never held me up, you put me down, how about now? I wish I could've been around when you found out that I was on Forbes. Bet your jaw hit the floor. Bet you tried to call, but now I'm on tour, ain't got time to talk. I'm about to blow this money like you said I would.
Oh no, it doesn't want me to. That's annoying. Won't fit here. Okay. Absolutely have no idea what's going on. So this is what it looks like right now. Okay, I'm doing a BIOS update. It's taking a little bit. So I have updated it, so what? I used USB. Now I'm using a quick, easy update with Ethernet. I'm trying everything. There's nothing. Nothing's working. Everything's not working. Just having context to the video, there is some things that I forgot to put into the video. What happened was I bought Ryzen 5 AMD. I bought two. I had one for my project computer and I had one for my friend's computer. And that specific Ryzen 5 was on a pretty good deal through Best Buy, then find out that all of them are defective. They're just trying to get them out of their inventory of AMD. So I had to warranty them out, and they still didn't want to post. So what I had to do is upgrade him. So I had to return that and then upgrade him to a Ryzen 7. And yeah, the Ryzen 5 was such a pain in the butt. Alright, I got Jared's computer. Time to test out the bad boy. Three, 2, 1. Fucking A, man. Fuck yeah. I got it the fucking post, man. Fuck yeah. Ah yeah.
We enjoyed it. I'm glad you're home safe, and I won't keep you, but I just want to let you know how much we did enjoy having you here.
Yeah, I love seeing you guys. Oh, am I still recording? Fuck yeah. Well, I'm gonna let this install. Hello.
Thank you, bro.
Very welcome. It's now downloading everything. It was the fucking CPU. I put my CPU in and I came across so yours. The reason why mine's not going like turning on is because the power supply. I have to upgrade my power supply. Damn. 2 shots and I'm broke. I'm going up. Fuck! There's another squad here? I dropped down on accident.